Hey everybody, it's Papa No Stuff. I wanted to share with you something that just came in. I actually am replacing an old product with a new product. And I will probably never use this, but it will be for guests. And what I bought was a 2-in-1 wireless charging pad. I had a 3-in-1 wireless charging pad, but it was probably like 10 years old, and it was back when phones didn't have a lot of power requirements to recharge them. And even though people were using it, it just would take forever. So for those that like to take a look at the box, this is all it is. It says wireless charger, and of course, how unusual, it's made in China. But let's not bash the Chinese people. I'm not sure what we got here. I gotta cut something. It's a little piece of sealing tape on here. We'll check this out, we'll plug it in, and we'll see how it charges. I almost cut my finger off there. Okay. Comes with a plug, which I'm not gonna need. And this is the charging pad. That's the charging pad, right? Makes sense, just something simple and easy, and it's got some feet underneath there. And it's got some printing on the bottom. I'll let you check that out. You can pause the video and read it if you want. And then there's the front of it, right? There's the front of it. And it comes with a cable. But I don't believe I need the cable. Well, yeah, I guess I will use the cable. I'll probably need it. So we're gonna go hook this up at our power station over here, and we'll see how it goes. My wife will be a fanatic about wrapping these cords up and making it look just so I am not gonna mess with it, because that's something that she'll wanna do. So let's take this over, plug it in, and see how it looks. So we have this charging pad. That's going to go into the USB-A plug, because the A plug here to C. And I have a 3.1 amp receptacle. It did flash blue. I don't have anything to put on it, so I can't show you how it works. And my wife took her phone upstairs with her, so I can't put her phone on it. But that's the dealio. Let me see if I can put my phone on it and see what happens. If I lose you, I'll have to come back. But it's a charging pad. Yeah. Nope, it's working. Charging up nice. Right, both sides. And the indicator light actually lights up when you plug it in too, so you know it shows you that it's charging. So that's it. That's a pretty nice charging pad. Check it out and see what you think. Thanks for watching. Or thanks for watching.